Solar hot water system started with garden shed scraps, a storm window, some sprinkler line, and some black plastic and 2x4s. It'll take about 2 minutes, but it's worth it. First, let's check out a video of this system in action. Solar hot water heater for the Aquaponics system. Got our warm water coming up. We've got a pump, an extra pump here. Goes up through this line. Got a little booster pump for startup. Through this insulated line into here. So it was around these coils. It's about 100 feet of line. The sun bakes that, comes out hot, back into the tank. Everything was working great, but soon my first challenge arose, an airlock while it was on the traditional stand. The water would drain back into the system at night via gravity, but with the airlock on the next morning, it would prevent the water from circulating through the collector. The airlock problem by laying the collector flat and adding a reflective surface to catch more sunlight and bouncing it into the reflector. It worked great until somebody stole my solar panel. The next day, the heat built up and melted the piping inside the collector. Should I continue going with better materials? Please put it in the comments below. And also please share and help spread these ideas. This will help me keep going.